Great. I will be waiting for other 5 minutes and we'll be starting the session. Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Thank you very much, Dharika, for your quick response. In case if I am out of the session due to network issues, please make sure you make me the host back again. Okay. So, right. Uh, how are you all doing? Everybody doing good? No problem, Dharika. I know that's the reason I pinged you. No problem. I'm just telling you that's it. Yeah. Okay, so great to see you all here in the session. Let's quickly jump into the session and let's start working on today's topic. Today we'll be dealing with natural language understanding and knowledge studio. So I'll give you a quick understanding. Is my voice echoing? For everybody, is it so or is it fine? Okay. Pratik, please just check with your internet connection. I think it's not a problem from my end. Okay. Please let me know if there is any problem. Pratik, I don't think it's from my end. Please check it from your end. I don't think anybody else is facing that issue. Please check with it. Yes. Okay. So let's quickly move into the topic and let us try to understand what we are going to do today. Okay. So we are going to work on something called as natural language understanding. Right. On the day one, when I was giving you the introduction of cognitive computing, so we understood, right, that a machine, we are making it like a human. Okay, we are trying to make it like a human, right? When we are trying to make a machine behave like a human or think like a human, take decisions like a human, don't you think it is also important for the machine to understand the normal text which we are giving? Yes or no? Is it, don't you think it is important for the machine to understand the normal text which we are giving? Right. So today we will be understanding one such thing, natural language understanding, where we are making the machine understand the text. Okay. We'll be dealing with SMS analysis. Okay. So what we are trying to do here is we will give an SMS to it. Okay. So instead of you sitting and reading the entire SMS and trying to get the inference from it, what we are trying to do is we will give the SMS to machine and then it automatically gives you the important keywords, like important entities which have to be grabbed. Okay, like for suppose there is a SMS. Okay, from that SMS it will bring out the keywords like which URL you have to click. Okay, what is the coupon code? Okay, if anything is mentioned there, who is giving you this offer, what is the offer? So such things it will bring and it will show you. So all the remaining text you can omit and keywords you can grab. Got it, everybody? All of you, did you understand what I meant by what we are doing today? So what is the project we are going to take up for today? We are going to take up SMS analysis, right? So ma'am, here you have written two headings, natural language understanding and knowledge studio. How many of you could understand what this means? What's referred to natural language? Natural language is a language which we speak or we talk. Natural language is a language which is human understandable. Okay, so that language, making machine understand that language is natural language understanding, right? All of you tell me, when you learned English or your mother tongue or any other language which you know, then you know, how do you remember those words? How did you know you have to use this word, this particular word at this particular point? How do you know? Yes, you have memory. You are trained, right, from your childhood. You saw your parents talking, your friends talking, right? So, you understood. Okay, so this, if this is the situation, this is how, these are the words which you have to use in the childhood. And going further, you understood, like you started learning things, right? You have your own learning resources from where you learned what to talk, what not to talk, which words to use, and all, right? In the similar way, when we are making the machine understand what we are talking, okay, so the text which we are giving, okay, so first we have to build a knowledge base for it. Like we have to give it some training, we have to give it some learning, okay, from where it will learn how to understand, okay, what to understand. Got it? See, what I'm trying to say is, we when we were kids, how did we understand the native language or any other language? We saw people talking in that language, we try to understand the context from them. In the similar way, in the similar way in the similar way, what we are trying to do is, we are trying to give machine certain learning, okay. So we are going to give it some text and we are going to tell, yeah, so if this word comes, this means this. If this word comes, this means this, okay. So to create that knowledge base, we are going to use knowledge studio. Everybody got my point? Right. So we are going to give the learning to the machine from the knowledge studio, okay. So once the knowledge studio is done, when we once our knowledge base is ready, we will go and deploy whatever we have built in natural language understanding for use, okay. So that's the reason I have given you two service names, that is natural language understanding and knowledge studio. I hope till here everything is clear, all of you. Great. So now let us understand the steps which we are going to follow throughout this session. Okay. So let me write down the steps. The first step is creating entities. Okay. Creating entities. What are entities, all of you? What are entities? What are entities? Classification is what Abhirami says. What else? Entities. You don't learn. No, you learned in what do you call, chatbots, right? What were entities there? What did you learn? What are entities? Entities are questions or phrases, is it? Are they not keywords? Can I call entities as keywords? Right? So entities are keywords. So we will be creating the entities. That is the keywords which have to be fetched from the given text in order to analyze it or group it. Okay. So next step is, we will have to upload the training data, creating and uploading the training data. Okay. I will show you all these steps practically one after the other. Don't worry. For now, just understand. Okay. Creating the creating and uploading the training data. Right? Right. Now our training data is ready. Okay. So you have set of examples and you have set of keywords. Now you have to map, right, which keyword is referred in that particular text. Yes or no? Yes or no? When I give a text, okay, from this text, which is the word which is mapping to my keyword? Don't I have to find out that? Yes or no? That process is called as annotation. Okay, so then I will do annotation. The third step will be annotation, where I will be telling in my training data what are all the corresponding keywords which I found out, the values of the keywords. Once the annotation part is done, I will be training my model, training the model. Once the model is built, we will be deploying it in NLU, deploy the model, and then the sixth step is building the UI. Clear everybody till here? Is it fine? Okay, so what are we doing? We are first going to tell what are all the possible keywords for our SMS analysis. Then we are going to give it all the possible training data which we can give. Then we are going to annotate the training data. I will tell you what is annotating again. Okay, so don't worry if you did not understand what is annotating. Don't worry. I will tell you what is annotating while we are doing the practicals. Okay, you will not understand like this in air. I will explain you what is annotating while we are practically doing it. Okay, don't worry about it. We will be training the model, deploying the model, and then building the UI. Fine. Steps are okay, right? We'll see each and everything, and there again I'll explain you what that step is going to do. Okay? Now let us move further and see each step. I will explain you these steps again. Don't worry if you did not understand any of these. Okay? All of you log in into your IBM Cloud accounts. FDS. All of you log in into your IBM Cloud accounts. Did you all log in into your IBM Cloud accounts? You shall be on our dashboard. Everybody confirm me on chat. Did you all create natural language understanding and knowledge studio services? In the beginning, on the first day of the session, I gave you a PDF where steps of creating each service were mentioned, and also the services which are to be created was mentioned. Did you all create the services? Let me know. If not, I will create it now. Otherwise, please, all of you, let me know. Did you all create the services? Knowledge Studio and NLU, Natural Language Understanding. If not, please click on Catalog. If you did not create, please click on Catalog and open the catalog. People, the thing is, why I asked you people to create before was when all of us start creating the services at a time, IBM Cloud doesn't support, you know, it will, I mean, lot of traffic will hit on it, and few services will not get created. It will give you some random errors. Okay. You might get worried why I'm getting that error, but it is nothing. It is just a server error. We can't do anything. Okay. So that's the reason I asked you to create before itself, beforehand. No problem. Just go ahead and create NLU and Knowledge Studio. Okay. Once you click on catalog, in search, just type natural language understanding. Click on it. Search for natural language understanding and click on it. Open it. You will be on a page something like this. Okay. So just check whether the region is London and the plan is light plan. Once you have checked these two things, you will get a create button. Okay. I am not getting it because I already have an instance of it, and you people know for light plan only one instance of a service can be created, right? All of you. So anybody who is not having NLU, please go to catalog, search, and then create NLU first. Okay. After you're done creating NLU, go back to catalog, search for Knowledge Studio. Ma'am, is it important that we have to first create NLU, then only Knowledge Studio? Nothing like that. I created an NLU first. That's it. So again, now go to the search box, search for Knowledge Studio, open Knowledge Studio. People, it is Knowledge Studio. I'm not asking you to create an instance for what's a knowledge catalog. Okay, please create Knowledge Studio. Select the region to be London. Okay, once that is done, check the plan and then click on create. As I told you, I also have an Knowledge Studio already created. Okay, that's the reason it is not showing me this create button. Once again, I'm repeating the steps to create a service. Go to catalog, you will find a search box. Write the name of the service which you want to create, service instance which you want to create. Click on the service name. It will open you the creation page. Make sure the region is London and the plan is light plan. Then click on create. Okay. Also remember, only one instance per service can be created. You can't create multiple instances of one service. Okay. Right. So if you are done till here, please go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Amber, is it done? Did it get created or you're facing any issues? Okay, great. So now I hope you all of having NLU and Knowledge Studio, right? Now click on Services from the dashboard. Click on Services from the dashboard. All of you click on Services. Click on Services. Are you all on this page? Open Knowledge Studio. Open Knowledge Studio. All of you click on Knowledge Studio and open Knowledge Studio. All of you on this page. Everybody with me? Great. Now click on What's in Knowledge Studio. Launch What's in Knowledge Studio. All of you click on Launch What's in Knowledge Studio. All of you click on Launch What's in Knowledge Studio. Done, everybody. You shall be on this page. Everybody on this page along with me. All of you click on Create Workspace. Click on Create Workspace. Give a name to your workspace. Give some name to your workspace. As we are doing the SMS analysis project, I'm naming it as SMS analysis. Up to you, whatever name you want, you can give. After you have created both the instances, please click on IBM Cloud, which will redirect you to the dashboard page. From the dashboard, click on Services. It will open all your service instances. From the service instances, click on Knowledge Studio. It will open the Knowledge Studio page where you will find Launch What's in Knowledge Studio button, blue color button. Click on it. You will be on this workspaces page. From this workspaces page, just next to workspaces, you will find Create Workspace button. Click on Create Workspace. Give some name to your workspace. Don't change anything else and click on Create. All of you done? Did you all click on Create? Everybody. Okay, great. Awesome. Now that we have created it, tell me what was the first step which you were asked to do? I mean, like I listed the 6 steps, right? So, what is the first step which we are going to do? Amber, on which page you are? Can you please let me know? See, Amber, if you have open, which page is it showing? Did you click on create workspace and then give a name to workspace and click on create? Amber, do one thing, just share me your screen once. Just give me a minute, I'll give you permission to share me your screen. You can share me your screen and then I'll look into. People, please don't turn on your camera or turn on your mics, please. It's a sincere request to all of you. Please don't turn on your mics or cameras. Amber, yeah. Amber, you can share me your screen. If you can just see, please just share me your screen. Prajwal, which page is showing you? Please let me know. Yeah, click on create entities and relationship workspace. That's it. Give a name to your workspace. Pratik, I hope Pratik was asking, not Pratik, Prajwal. Okay, great. Right. Now, everybody, are you after you give the name? Tushar, if you are not able to find London, you should be able to see London in the drop down. If not, search for Dallas. If you have Dallas region, please just select Dallas. That's fine, no problem. Fine. So all of you are now on this page. Now at least are you all on this page, everybody? Okay, great. So now what we have to do, what is the first step? All of you already responded to me. I did not answer to that. So you said the first step is creating the entities. What did I say is an entity? All of you, please don't do anything. Just look at my screen for a while, for 2 minutes. I'll tell you what to do. Okay. So what are entities? Entities are keywords which we want to fetch. Okay. So if you just give me a minute, I'll show you something. Please don't do anything. Just stay on the by the time I I show you, everybody please download this data which I'm putting it on the chat. Okay, so I'm giving you something on a link on chat. Please download all the files from that link, all the files, everybody. Download all the files. Did you all download it? Confirm me once your download is completed. There are 3 files in this particular drive link. Okay, 1 second. Let me just check. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. 1 second. I copied a wrong link, I think. I'm just sending the new link. Download from here, all the files. Right? I gave you the drive link now. Please check that drive link. Download all the files from there. Confirm me once your download is done. I'll tell you what those files are and all. Don't worry. Just once download it and confirm me whether you are done downloading or not. That's it. All of you done? Great. So, how many of you are able to see my screen? Which screen you are able to see? My browser only or my browser? Okay, fine. 1 second. I'll share the entire screen. Now, are you able to see the notepad? I have taken one single text. Okay. So, this is the text. This is the SMS which I'm trying to analyze. Fine. Clear? Okay. So, uh, when you have to, suppose if you are reading, how do you capture the gist from this? You have an offer. The offer is what? 50% on off at oh my god, 50% off at home center stores. Okay, and 10% off. So these two offers are available. Yes or no? So when you use this coupon code, okay, so you're getting a 10% off and also 50% off at home center stores, right? Who is give on what, or who is giving it? Some on some furniture it is, right? On some furniture, and it is valid till 11th February. Okay, so let me take a better one. Okay, let us take this example. Okay, so here there is an offer which is valid till 11th February. Okay, so the coupon code is this. Okay, it is from home center furniture. Okay, and the offer is 50% off and 10% extra off. Okay, there are few terms and conditions which apply. Okay, so to get this offer you have to call to this number. Yes or no? Right? Now what are, I will now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to explain you about the entities. Okay, first thing is merchant name. Okay, first is the merchant name. Who is the merchant here? Home furniture, home center furniture, home center furniture, right? He is the merchant. Okay, so then we have merchant phone number, right? We have a phone number, so this particular phone number is available. Okay, then what more you have? Offer, right? What is the offer? 50% off plus 10% extra off. Okay, next validity is up to 11th Feb. Okay, coupon code also we have. Now can anybody tell me what did we list? What are all these keywords? What are the keywords in this particular thing which I just wrote? What are all the keywords? Merchant name, merchant phone, offer, validity, coupon code. These are the keywords, right? So these are our entities. Okay, so these entities we are trying to map from this text. Got it, everybody? These entities, these entity values, we are getting it from this particular text. Yes, terms and conditions is also there. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, fine. So these are the entities. Okay, so before I say home center furniture is a merchant name, first I should have this keyword which is created. Yes or no? before I say home center furniture is a merchant name, I should first create the keyword name merchant name. Only then I can map home center furniture with merchant name, right? So for that, what we are trying to do is we are trying to create the entities. Okay. So let's go with the procedure and I'll show you. Are you all able to see my browser, the IBM Cloud? Okay. So all of you don't do anything. Just listen to me. I'll tell you when you have to do. Until then, please don't do. Okay. Now you can add entities manually or you can upload them. Okay. So when you have to add entities manually, you will click on add entity type. Give a name to your entity. Okay. So select a role. Okay. So all these things you add and then you click on save, which will add your entity type. Okay. So like this, you have to sit and manually add all the entities, which is a time taking job. Okay. That's the reason what I did is I created a JSON file. Okay. I created a, see like that I have listed few entities here. Then I clicked on download types. Okay. When I click on download type, it will give me a JSON code of all the entities which I have listed. Okay. So that JSON file I have already given you. Did you see this type.json file with you? Do you have this types.json file with you now? This file contains all the entities. Okay, let us try to upload and see how it looks. Okay, now all of you, okay, you want me to give the link again? One second, just a second, I'll give you the link. You can all download it from this particular link. I've pasted the link in the chat section, people. Please just open that link, download all the files which are present in that particular link. Not only one, download all. If you are done already and did not do anything, just wait for my next instruction. Until then, please just wait. Please download all the files from this particular link. Okay. Few of you asked me to give the link again. That's the reason I gave it. So if you already downloaded, please don't do anything. Just wait. If you are not done, please do it quickly. Okay. I hope you have all downloaded the files. Okay. Now, all of you click on upload. All of you click on upload. Okay. Now we will have the downloaded file, right? Just drag and put it. Types.json, only types.json. Put it here. Drag and put it inside this particular box, or just click on this box. It will give you your file manager. Go to the directory and then select types.json. Only types.json. Did you all put it? Did you all upload the types.json? And click on upload button. All of you click on this upload. Okay. So I already uploaded, so it is not giving me. Let me delete. Wait. Fine. Click on upload, all of you. When you click on upload, it will give you some pop-up like this. Click on this button. Okay, it will redirect you to the file directory. Wherever you have downloaded types.json, to that directory you move and then select types.json and open it. If not, you can directly drag and drop it here. That also you can do. Okay. Now click on, after you see something like this on green button and types.json, click on upload. When you upload, all the entities types will get added to your workspace. Now are you all able to see something like this? Everybody, did you see? This is what I was telling you, individually adding the entity types. Click on add entity type, give name and role, and then click on save. Instead of we doing it manually, we did it through an import. Okay, clear till here, all of you? Clear till here, all of you? Right. Now, what is the second step? What is the second step? What is the second step which we mentioned? Creating the training data, right? Creating the training data, right? Shruti, I gave you a link. I don't know whether you have downloaded all the files from that drive link. If not, please check in chat. There is a drive link. Open the drive link, download all the files from that particular drive link. Once you have downloaded, come back onto this page, click on upload, and then select the types.json file which you have just downloaded, which will give you all these entities. I hope it is clear. Now, the second step is creating and uploading the training data, right? Second step is creating and uploading the training data. Okay, so all of you are able to see documents towards your left side here, just above the entity types. Are you all able to see the documents? Click on documents, all of you. Click on documents, which is just above entity types. Okay. Now, see, what do you mean by documents or training types is, now we have here in this particular, while I was explaining you, I took this SMS, right? I took one of the SMS, one SMS I took. Okay. This SMS, from this I am grabbing the keywords. Yes or no? In the similar way, I have to give machine 2 SMSs. Okay, in order for it to learn. Okay, so few SMSs I have to give. So what I did is, I created few text files containing lot of SMSs. Okay, each text file having one SMS. Then entire thing we made it into zip, JSON files, and all those JSON files are uploaded in corpus zip file. You have downloaded another file which is named corpus something. Yes or no? Do you all have a zip file named corpus? Yeah. So that is having all these things. One second. All of you just wait, I'll show you. Okay. So after you extract the corpus, you will get files like this, documents and sets. Sets in the sense, what are, see, I told you, you will have training data, testing data, blind data, like that. Okay. So the main folders, what are all there, becomes your set. Each folder name, okay, consider it as folder name, training data, like that. So each folder name becomes your set. So inside your set.json, you will have all the set names. Then inside the documents, you will have the documents of each set. I'll show you after you upload, you will understand all that. Okay. Now, all of you click on this upload document sets. Don't extract, people. You need not extract it. Please just click on upload document sets. Please click on upload document sets. Okay. Now, you can give your documents in the form of CSV file, text files, or PDFs, or any other formats, like what are mentioned there. Okay, we are going to give it in the zip format. Okay, if you give it in the text format, you have to add, if you have 10 files, you have to add it 10 times. Okay, 10 files you have to add. Instead, what we did, we made it all into one single zip file. Okay, now drag your zip file and place it, or click on this button, then it will redirect you to the file manager. Select your corpus file from there. Everybody selected your corpus file. Are you all able to see something like this? If you are done, click on upload. If you are done, click on upload. Are you all getting something like this? Right. Now see, what I did is, I have created few sets: blind set, test set, training set. Okay, so 5th SMS set, 4th SMS set, like that I have created. Excuse me. I have created few sets. Okay, you need not do anything, just listen to me. Okay, even if it is uploading, don't worry, there is still time for us to do the next part. Shubham, the corpus file also I have given in the same drive link, if you see. Okay, the zip file, the types.json file, and the flow.json file. Three files are available for you in the link. Please download all the files and then uh, work. Which text files? Uh, Mushina. Which text files you are asking? These text files. Are you talking about this by any chance? See, people understand this is not a text file. It is text underscore set. It is a set. That is a folder. Okay. Understand? It is a folder. If you click on this, okay, you will get all the text files inside that particular folder. It is a set. What is a set? Collection of items, right? So collection of test files is your set. Got it, Mushina? I was about to show all those things, so just give me some time, people. Don't worry. I will show you everything clearly. People, we have 9 folders. Okay, so if you see how many sets you have, 9. Sets in the sense group of something. Okay, in our case, it is group of text files. Okay, so we have 9 sets. Okay, we are having 9 sets. That is 9 folders in layman terms. Okay, if you open one folder, it will go into documents part, and in that folder, how many ever text files are there, you will be able to see. Got it? Now, if you just click on one of the text files, it will give you what is the text present in that particular file. Clear, everybody? Did you understand till here how to upload the documents and view the sets and documents? No. What is the third step, all of you? What is the third step? Once you are done uploading the document sets and documents, what is the third step? Annotation, right? If you see on the top, after you upload everything, are you able to see annotations, blue color hyperlink? Are you all able to see blue color hyperlink? Click on annotations. Click on annotations. Click on annotations. Okay, I will tell you what is annotation. Okay, first let us understand what is annotation. Okay, so if this is the text which I am giving, okay, this is the doc. We have uploaded few documents, yes or no, all of you. We have uploaded few documents. Right. After we upload, each document will have some text like this. Yes or no? So in that particular text file, in this particular text file, telling that this entity, this particular value is belonging to merchant name is called as annotating. Okay, saying or mapping, this is merchant name, this is coupon code. Okay, this is the offer. Okay, this is the validity date. These are the terms and conditions. This is the phone number. Mapping each text file's data with the entities is called annotating. Did you all understand? People who said while I was explaining the steps, people who said you did not understand, did you get it now? Is it clear? If it is not clear still, while you are doing, you will understand. Okay. Now let us go back to our browser. Okay. So we have to first create a task. Okay. Click on annotation task, everybody. Click on annotation tasks. All of you. Click on annotation task. Did you all click on it? Everybody. Now, click on add task. Now, click on add task. Done. Right. See, what we have to do is we are first creating a task which will annotate all. The task is to annotate all the documents. Fine. So for that we have to give a name to your annotation task. I am naming it as SMS analysis annotation task. I named my task as SMS analysis annotation task. It's up to you what you want to name it. Okay. You give some name of your own choice. It can be any name. I'm naming it as SMS analysis annotation task. Did you all do it? Did you all give some name to your task? Great. Kudos. Kudos to all of you. Now, we are performing a task. Before we perform a task, we need to have all the documents. Yes or no? You have to perform the task on the documents only. Yes or no? Yeah. So for that, you have to create the set, annotation sets. Okay. So the documents which you are going to give for annotation. Okay. So click on create annotation set. Click on create annotation sets. See, here what you can do is you can select one of the sets only and annotate it. Okay. If you want, you can only annotate one of the sets or you can annotate all the sets. In my case, I want to annotate all the sets, so I'm selecting all. Done, everybody? Select the base set to be all. If you want to annotate only one particular set, select only that particular set name. Got it? If you want to annotate all, select all. Okay? Please confirm me whether you are all done till here. Please confirm me whether you are all done till here. Okay, great. Now select the annotator. You have to select the annotator. The annotator is you yourself because you have your own name there, right? Select your own default name which is coming. Give some name, any name to your set. Okay, so I'm saying it as SMS analysis annotation set. You can give any name, but my name which I am giving is SMS analysis annotation set. I named the task as annotation task. I'm naming the set as annotation set. Did you all do till here, all of you on this page? Now click on generate. Click on generate. If you see, previously the sets was 0, but now there is a set which got added with the name SMS analysis annotation set. Everybody getting it like this? All of you. All of you. Now on the top, are you all able to see save? Are you all able to see save on the top? Click on save. On the top, you will find save. Click on save. Under annotation task, now a task gets added. Are you all able to see SMS analysis annotation task got added? What is the progress percentage which it is showing? Yeah, Amber, no worries. I'll anyhow wait. What is the progress percentage it is showing on the screen? 0%. Because we did not start annotating yet, right? Did we annotate anything till now? Did we annotate anything till now? No. Just because we did not do anything till now, it is showing the progress percentage to be 0. Okay. Amber, if you can let me know if you are done, I will proceed further. All of you on this page, everybody. Okay, so there are few no's and few yes. So I'll give you one more minute. Please quickly come on to this page. Please log in again and then do. If it says session expired, please log in again and All of you on this page. Shall I proceed? Okay, I'm waiting. Divya, Amber, please confirm me if you are done. Shall I proceed? Ashish, please turn off your camera. Ashish Ranjan, please turn off your camera. Divya, please confirm. Divya Gupta. People make it quick because we are having less time. Okay, great. So everybody is having progress 0, right? Now click on this particular task. There. If you click on the task, now you see a set. Now all of you are able to see the annotation set which you created, which is in progress. Okay. So under actions, do you find annote? Under actions, do you find annote? Click on annote. Everybody click on annote. Now you will get all the text documents. Are you all able to see all the text documents? .txt files from all the sets. Everybody on this page? Now, people, I will show you for one document. Okay, so same procedure you have to follow for all the other documents. Okay, so just click on the document. When you just click on the document, the text will open like this. Okay, all of you, did it open like this? Sorry. Right? Now, people, this page is divided into 2 parts. I did not do anything, Anil. See, when you clicked on the task name, you are able to see the text files like this. Yes. Just click open the first text file. Okay. It will open you the text which is there in the text file. Are you here? Okay, great. Now, if you see, this page is divided into 2 parts, people. Okay. The first part is the part where you have your text. Okay. This part. Second part is towards your right where you have all your entity names. Are you all able to see the entity names here like this? Everybody, please confirm if you are all able to see page like this only. Okay. Now, if you see, each entity is with different color. Okay. So offer is with some color. Offer applicable is with blue color. Okay. Branch office with gray color. Like that, each entity is with different color. Right. So what you will do is, see, if you find a phone number, select that particular thing which you think is an entity. Okay. Few of them are auto recognized. Watson is intelligent enough to understand which could be the entity. If you see, it said this particular thing is an offer, right? This is all an offer only. Yes or no? Today only is the validity period. It rightly identified that it is a validity period. This is the coupon code. It rightly identified. Okay, so most of the things it will identify, but if it missed out anything, you have to do it. Okay, so if I want to say this is the phone number, I select this particular text. Okay, I select it and I click on the entity name. With this, what will happen? My entity, I mean, like this get attached with that entity type. Did you all understand, or you want me to repeat it? See, I will remove this and I'll show you. Okay. Yeah. See, this is all offer. All of you accept buy any 3 designer custom. This is an offer. Yes or no? This is already colored, but just for showing you people, I removed it. Okay. To remove, just select it and click on delete. You can remove the annotation which you have made already. Okay. So if I have to annotate this, I will just click on it. This will select it. Okay. If you want only one, select one and then click on which it is. Okay. But I want the entire line. So I select, okay, the entire thing. I hold on my shift and select the last one till where I want the entity to be. Okay, so this selected the entire text and I click on offer, the entity which I want to color it with. Okay, now got it everybody? Anybody who wants me to repeat still? Now everybody got it? Amber, did you understand? You were saying you did not understand previously. Did you understand it now? Great. So after you make your changes, whatever you want to do, on the top, do you find the save button? Everybody, are you able to see the save button? Click on save. Click on save. People, if you don't click on save, this changes will not get saved. Okay, so you have to definitely click on save. After you click on save, now you have to go back and open the next one, right? Yes or no? So click on open document list which is on the top. Open document list. Okay. Now open the second one, annotate that one and click on save. Okay. So I don't have anything which I have to annotate. I'm clicking on save directly. Going to the documents, opening the next one. Like that, you do it for all the all the, what do you call? All the documents. Everybody, please do it to all the documents in the list. Okay. It will take a little time. So I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Try to do how many ever it. Okay, 2 minutes of time only. People, please make it quick. Please just edit. I mean, like annotate them and just wait. Please don't proceed further until unless I tell. Please, because I want it to be on the same page. If you miss my flow, then I can't help you. People, please understand and please just annotate. I'm giving you 1 more minute of time. Okay. Annotate every document and wait for me. Okay, I will proceed. Yes, you can delete the whatever it is there and you can change it. You can just tell me the document name. I will open and I'll show you how to delete. Tell me the document name once. Message 38. Okay. Okay. See. So this is the SMS. So this is the URL. Okay. This is not a URL. It is the phone number, right? You can just select it. Click on delete. So the color is gone now. Select back and say it as phone number. Where is it? Merchant phone. Okay. Got it, everybody? Click on save and click on open documents. So people, how many ever you are done, please stop it till there. Okay. I hope you have annotated few of the documents and you understood how to annotate at least, right? If not, if you couldn't complete, at least you understood how to annotate things. Yes or no? If please just revert me on chat. Please tell me if you understood how to annotate. Great. Now click on submit all documents. Click on submit all documents and click on OK. Click on submit all documents and click on OK. Now did you see everything, the status has changed to completed? Previously it wasn't ready, now it is in completed. Everybody got it like this? All of you. Click on close, which is on top. Click on OK. Click on the back to task. Click on close and click on back to task. All of you done? Are you all on this page? Previously, if you see, the annotation set was with like what? My previously the annotation set was in progress. Now it is what? It is submitted. Yes or no? It is submitted. For everybody, is it done? Is it showing submitted? Great. Now select this annotation set. Select this annotation set. I did not do anything. Okay, so we have submitted, right? On the top, you'll find the close button after submitting. Click on close. Again, on the top where you had that open document list, just next to it, you will have back to task. Click on back to task. You will be on this page. Is it fine, Pratyush? Are you on this page now? Good. Now select this particular annotation set and click on accept. People, this I can't redo. Please do it, all of you. Select the annotation set which is saying submitted. Select it. On the top, you'll find accept. Click on it and click on OK. Now everybody able to see this as completed? All of you, are you all able to see this as completed? Great. So what did we do is, we annotate the document successfully. Okay, so this is the annotation set which we have created. Okay, so we have made some training. Okay, now we have to, we have told how to learn. Okay, we have given them a book. Now from this book, it is the machine's duty to learn. Okay, how will it learn? By training. Okay, so we have to train the machine on it. This is the book which we made. From this book, it has to get trained. Okay, so to train, what we'll do is, you have to go to performance. Everybody click on performance. All of you click on performance. Everybody on this page, please confirm me if you are all on this page. Click on train and evaluate. Click on train and evaluate. From the select the checkbox which is saying SMS analysis annotation set, like for which the task status is complete. Select the set for which the task status is complete and click on train and evaluate. Okay, so if you do this, on the top you will find training is processing. Okay, so it will take a while and it will get trained. Fine. People in between, if you are getting any errors saying it is not able to get trained or something, it means that it is because you are not having proper internet connection or the traffic is more. Okay, so if anybody is getting errors, please try after some time. Don't worry, there is no problem, no harm with it. Okay, fine. So this will get trained. So next steps can be done only after the training has been completed. Okay, so it will take a while for the training to complete. By then we'll go and make the UI. Okay, Preeti, where are you, on which page? Please let me know, I'll repeat from there. After task completed, okay, click on performance, which is here just below annotations. You will have performance. Click on performance. Do you see train and evaluate button? Do you see train and evaluate button? Click on train and evaluate. It will redirect you to a page where all is already checked. The checkbox next to all is checked. Okay, remove that checkbox and check the box which is having the status to be completed, and check the box which is having the status to be completed. Did you do it till there, Preeti? Now, if you are done till there, on the top, click on train and evaluate. On the top, click on train and evaluate. Mushina, blind set is some. See, you will have train test, train set, test set, and blind set. Okay. Train set is used for training purpose. Test set is kept aside for later testing. Blind set is something which the machine has never seen. Okay, some random data. Okay, right. Are you all? I mean, see, is everybody's time training is going on? Is it all going on? So this will take a while to get trained. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now on a new tab, open your dashboard. On a new tab, okay, so here is my dashboard open. On a new tab, open your dashboard and open Node-RED. All of you know how to open Node-RED, right? Yes or no? Open Node-RED, everybody. All of you open Node-RED from your dashboard. Go to dashboard, click on Cloud Foundry apps. From Cloud Foundry apps, select Node-RED. On the launch page, click on visit app URL. It will launch you the Node-RED. Click on go to Node-RED flow editor and you will be on the editor. Everybody on this page, please confirm me on the chat if everybody is here. Yes, I'm waiting, don't worry. If it is showing error, please close it, reopen it, and try. Go to your dashboard, open Cloud Foundry apps, click on Node-RED. Okay, click on Node-RED. This will take you onto this page. On this page, you will have visit app URL. Click on visit app URL. This will redirect you onto a page which will say go to Node-RED flow. You will be on this page. On YouTube, Pratik, now it is not possible for me. I've given all the links already, so if anybody has, please give them to Pratik. People, if anybody is facing any issue, if you are facing any errors, please on this page where you click on visit app URL, click on actions and click on restart. Click on actions and click on restart. Okay, so it will restart the app and then you will be able to see it. Now, are you all able to open the Node-RED dashboard? Please quickly. Not about training. Please tell about Node-RED. Are you all able to open the Node-RED, please, so that we can proceed? Please, if it is saying URL not found, please click on stop from actions and click on start again, restart. Okay, that will restart your app. Then you please click on visit app URL. My training is still happening. Training is done. Evaluation is happening. So we'll wait for some more time. Okay. By then, if everybody is done with Node-RED, I'll proceed. Did you all download the flows.json file also? Everybody. Did you all download the flows.json file also? People who are not able to open Node-RED, please write down the steps somewhere. Okay. I will proceed with the session because we are getting late unnecessarily. Okay. So all of you, click on the three lines which are on the top. Click on the three lines which are on the top and click on import. Click on import and import the flow. Yes, all of you please disable the previous flows and disable and import flows.json. Select the file and then click on import. I hope you are all acquainted with importing now, right? Right? So please disable all your previous flows, whichever are there, and then open your this flow. Okay, I'll explain you the flow. Okay, before that, please everybody import and be ready. Okay. Done, everybody? Great. All of you are ready, right? Right. Now see, what we have to do is first how the UI will be working. UI, first user have to give some SMS, right? When he gives the SMS, this SMS have to be sent to the Knowledge Studio. Sorry, have to be sent. I'll tell you where it has to be sent later. Okay, the SMS, from the SMS we have to grab the entities. Yes or no? From the user we have to take the SMS, right? How do you take the SMS, or how do you take an input from the user in Node-RED? How do we take input from the user in Node-RED? Yeah. So we take the input from the form node, right? So first I have taken a form node. Okay. I've given a label to it. I'll change it to be enter the text. Okay. So some proper enter SMS to be analyzed. Some proper text I will make it. Okay. To be analyzed. You know what is this T, right? So this T is the variable in which your SMS, whatever the user is entering, is going to get stored. Yes or no, all of you? Yes or no, right? So now I click on done. So this, from here I am taking the user input. Fine. This is clear, right? No doubts in the form node. Anybody, do you want me to explain more about form node? Anybody? No. Next, what we have to do is, all of you please confirm if your training is completed. Are you all getting something like this? Training and model completion. All of you. Done. Great. So first what we'll do is we'll deploy this. Okay. Until unless deployment is completed, we can't make the UI, right? So we'll first deploy this particular model. How do we deploy is, below performance, are you able to see versions? Below performance, are you able to see versions? Click on versions, all of you. Click on versions. Grace, I don't know whether your name is right or wrong. Ranjan, I hope. So please tell me if you have installed the dash, if you have done the previous flows Node-RED, or this is your first session. Did you ever do the previous Node-RED flows, or this is your first session? Please let me know that too. First, if you are doing it for the first time, all of you, whoever is doing it for the first time, who did not open Node-RED till now, this is the first time they are opening Node-RED. All of you just click on these 3 lines. Only people who did not open previously, this is the first time whoever is opening, and this form node is in dotted red color, something like that. For whoever it is dotted and all, please click on the 3 lines. Go to manage palette. Go to manage palette. Click on install. Click on install and type node-red-dashboard. Node-red-dashboard, and you will have the first one. Okay, so you will have install button here. Click on it. Click on install. If it is not installing, it is because your internet is not proper. So please just try it after some time. Okay, you should get it installed. When you click on install, it will give you a prompt. Click on install there also. Okay, so it will give you some prompt saying okay, click on it, and then it will start getting installed. It will take a while, and then it will say installed like this. When you get the message installed like this, click on close. Right now, come back to your Watson Studio. Everybody, sorry, Knowledge Studio. Here, everybody on this versions page. All of you on the versions page. So once your model training and evaluation is complete, you will get this create version button like this. Okay, so everybody click on create version. Everybody click on create version. Click on create version. click on OK on the pop-up. Click on OK on the pop-up, whichever you are getting. Done everybody till here? Anybody facing any issues till here? If training is processing, just wait for some more time. These steps, just note down these steps and please wait. After training is completed, then you can proceed with these steps, okay? I can't wait for long time because time will not be sufficient, okay? Right. So, good humor, Somnash. Thanks for your joke. And all of you, did you get like this? Everybody. Right. Now here, click on deploy. Click on deploy. All of you click on deploy. Did you all click on deploy? Here, select, what did I say? Where are we going to deploy this model? In natural language understanding, right? Understanding and click on next. Click on next. Okay. You already have the NLU service. NLU service. Source group, whatever is there. Okay. Now in the pop-up, in the drop down for it will load for a while. It will load under service name. You will get the service name of the NLU service which you have created. Got it, everybody? Got it, everybody? You will get this deploy button there, or blue color button, right? Click on that. For me, the model, model. Let me just go and delete a few models, and let me just check. I've deleted the thing. See, if you have the NLU service, then you will get it definitely without any problem. If you have the NLU service, you will get it definitely. People, if it is not showing under service, please just go delete your service which you have created, okay, and then try it again. Try recreating and do it. If you are still getting the error, it is only because there is lot of traffic and is not able to process it, okay? जिसका हो गया उसको बस रुकना है थोड़ी देर. You have to wait for some time, okay? Just wait for some time. Nothing, Ranjan, and you need not do anything after installing. Just wait. I'll tell you. I did not explain the remaining part of the flow. Okay. just go ahead and deploy your model first. Okay, if you haven't done till now, go to versions. If you just go to versions, you will find create version. Click on create version. There it will get created. Then later you will find a deploy button. Click on deploy. Select the region, resource name and the service name, and then click on deploy. And stay there. Okay, just give me a minute. Model limit has exceeded. I had to delete the previous service. Just 1 second. Just wait, people, please. Okay, create Prajwal, no problem. So if you see like this, you will get and click on deploy. Okay. I have also recreated NLU just now. Okay. All of you copy this model ID, and paste it somewhere. Okay, I'm pasting in this particular doc. You also copy the model ID and paste it somewhere, which is feasible for you. Okay, are you all able to see my screen? Now click on OK. Click on OK. If you just see this ID, okay. So if you want, you can undeploy it also. Okay. Done. Are you all able to see this? Like this. Now what you do is, on a new tab, open NLU from your dashboard. Okay. Some tab you take which are not in use. Change this tab. You should be on this versions tab should be available on a new place, and Node-RED should be available. Other than that, any IBM Cloud tabs are open. Just go to it. Click on IBM Cloud. Click on IBM Cloud. Go to services and open your NLU. Open your NLU. All of you done till there, please let me know. If you opened your NLU, I'll be on this launch page like this. Is here, please let me know. Everybody click on manage on this page. Click on manage on this page. Click on manage on this page. You have a URL here. Everybody has a URL here. Copy this URL. Copy the URL. Everybody, copy this URL. Just copy it. Now, go to your Node-RED. Go to your Node-RED. See, what we are trying to do is, everybody listen to me 1 second. We have taken the input from the user. Where is our model deployed? All of you tell me, where is our model deployed? NLU. Okay. So when you deploy your model in the NLU, okay, to access your model, you will get a URL. You will have to generate a URL. Okay, to which you can send your text and model ID, with which you will make a HTTP request and you will fetch the result. Fine. So to give that URL in a node, like in, but here we are using in a bit different way. Okay, I'll show you how we are using. So please be careful. Just open the function node which is attached with the form node. the second node. Okay, just open it. Here you will find some URL. Everybody, you are able to see some URL here. Anything, whatever is there before v1, okay, before /1, whatever is there, remove it. Paste the copied URL which you just, paste the URL which you just copied. The URL which you just copied. Done, everybody? Yes. See, you have a message.url is there. If you just open this function node, if you open, you have in message.url, you are having a big URL like this. If you see in between the URL, you will have /v1/analyze ?version. Are you all able to see this? /v1 /analyze ?version equal to something. Let me know in the chat. Whatever URL is present before Yeah. So all of you, I'm back. So I had a little internet connectivity. I'm sorry. So what I was saying is, uh, see, in the URL, just scroll towards your right. Are you able to see something? See, there is a plus symbol. At least this you are able to find out. Before plus, there is ampersand text equal to. Before that, you have version equal to something. Okay. If you just see, you have slash v1 analyze something, right? Yes or no? Amol, the front part of the URL is different for each person. It is not same. That's the reason I'm not giving you. I can't give you this. This URL, entire URL is already shared with you. The front part of the URL is what you have to change. Okay. So please uh, stay with me. Listen to what I'm trying to tell you. Okay. After slash v, sorry, before slash v1, whatever is there, whatever URL is present before slash v1, remove everything. Everybody, you are able to find a URL something like this now? Are you having something like this? Please confirm me on the chat. Right. Now what you do is go to your NLU, copy the URL, here, copy whatever is there in URL, go to Node-RED, before slash, paste it. Before the slash, in the beginning of the double quotes, paste it. Now your URL is looking something like what I'm having. All of you please confirm. In simple sense, it is the URL which you are getting from the knowledge NLU slash v1 slash analyze question mark version equal to 2019-07-12 ampersand text equal to double quotes. This is the first part of your URL. Everybody is having something like this. Okay. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to send the data, that is the text, which we took it from the user in the form, that text from the URL. Okay. It is a get method. All of you clear till here? It is a get method. So for this, the parameters which you have to pass to the URL are to be placed after the question mark. The first parameter is the version, which is 12/7/2019. Second parameter is the text which you want to pass. So I put an ampersand and I said text equal to, where is my text? In message.payload.t. Yes or no? That text I append to the URL. Then I append features equal to, what are we trying to get from that text? We are trying to get the entities. Yes or no? So I say feature equal to entities, and the model I have to give entities dot model equal to, at the end you have a model ID here. Okay. So remove whatever is there. Okay. Copy the model ID of your deployed NLU and paste it here. Paste it there. Done till here? You want me to repeat? Pooja, tell me, did you paste the URL? Did you paste the URL? URL pasting is done. Pooja, are you done pasting your URL? Okay. People, once again, I am repeating. Okay. Whatever is there before slash v1, you have a slash v1 in your URL. If you see, whatever is there inside double quotes before slash v1, remove it. Pooja, did you remove it? Pooja, did you remove it? No. Go to your NLU service, copy the URL, come back to Node-RED, paste it just after the double quote, opening double quotes. Paste it just after the opening double quotes. Did you do it? Pooja, confirm me if you are done till here. Confirm me if you are done till here. Now, all of you scroll towards the end of the URL. Scroll towards the end of the URL. Okay. Just before closing the double quotes, remove whatever code is there after equal to. Entities.model equal to, there is some code. Remove it. Are you all like this with me? Everybody done till here? Pooja, are you done? Did you remove the code which is there after equal to entities.model equal to? Did you remove it? Please confirm. Okay. Now, go to your knowledge studio where you have deployed your model. You have your model ID here, right? Copy your model ID. Copy your model ID. Go back to Node-RED and paste it after equal to. Now everybody, are you all on this page? Now are you all on this page? Did you all do the changes which I told? Now click on done. Click on done. People, I'm showing you the form node again. I open the form node. Here, it's up to you. You can write any text, not an issue. I wrote enter the SMS to be analyzed. The name should be T only. Okay, because in the other flow we are using T, so make sure you are using T here also. Okay, so I make the name to be T. Fine. This is the form node. After that, I wrote a function node which is containing this URL. In the URL, before v1 /v1, whatever is there, remove it. Copy the URL from NLU, paste it here. Go till the end of the URL. Remove the code which is there after entities.model equal to and paste your model ID. Everybody done till here, please confirm me on the chat. If you are all done till here, please confirm me on the chat. Great. Okay. What I am trying to do is there are two ways in which you can pass there are two ways in which you can pass a URL to a HTTP request. I opened the form node. Somebody asked me to open the form node, so please you can view it. Okay. There are two ways in which you can pass the URL to the HTTP request. Okay. One way is just open the HTTP request, give the URL here. Okay. But there you can concatenate all those things you can't do. Okay. You can directly give the URL here. Okay. Otherwise, in message.url, the variable message.url, from there you can pass. Okay. That's the reason I wrote a function node which is containing message.url and I'm passing that URL to the HTTP request. Got it? Is it fine? Everybody. Now all of you open your HTTP request. All of you open your HTTP request. Under username, type API key. This is the text which you have to type, API key. All of you type API key. Type API key under username. Everybody done typing? Now, in password section, go to your NLU. Go to your NLU. Copy the API key, whichever is here. Copy this. Okay. Go to Node-RED and paste it here. Done, everybody? Did you all paste the API key in password section? Now, click on done. Click on done. All of you don't do anything. I will show you the output, how it looks now. Okay. I'm deploying whatever is there like this, just like this. Okay. I've just removed one one connection. You people don't do it. I am showing you what output you will get. Then I can proceed further. Okay. So now I will open the UI. How to open the UI? Tell me how to open the UI if anybody knows. You people need not do. You just see my screen. Don't do anything. How to open the UI? All of you. Arrow after theme. Yes. Click on the arrow after theme. You will open the UI. So I will just grab this SMS which we have just checked. Okay, so this one. I will copy this SMS. Okay, now let's go back. Let's see. My internet is a bit slow now, so just bear with the lit. Okay, so here it is showing, see, enter the SMS to be analyzed. Whatever you give there, that will be displayed here, the label whichever you give. I just paste the text and click on submit. Okay, now let me show you what is the output. Okay, just I came back to Node-RED. See, I disconnected the remaining flow. That's the reason you are not getting anything on the UI. Let us see what we are getting in the developer console. Okay, error. Okay, let me just check the URL once. I think I made some mistake here. People, one of you try submitting it once. If all of you are getting error, one of you just try. Anybody who is getting error, or you are getting some JSON code, or you getting error or anything else. Okay, you're getting the error. Fine. 1 second. Which text did you give, Anil? Did you give the same text which I gave, or you gave some other text? Some other. Fine. Okay. Pratik, 1 second. I'll look. I'll just see what you are getting. People, these things get, the URLs get keep changing. That's the reason at times you don't get the required output. Content is empty. Okay. Okay, that is different. Machine learning is different. Don't worry. This is this only. Vanshika or somebody, please just share me your screen. Let me see what you are getting. Share me your screen, Vanshika. I've given you access. Please share me your screen. Are you sharing it? Okay, fine. I'll ask somebody else to share. Yes, Pratik, you can. Pratik. Okay. I given you permission, Pratik. You can share. One second. I did not see what your screen is. Okay, great. So once open your Node-RED, Node-RED flow. Did you change anything, Pratik, or you use the same thing which I told? You can give the text which I have given in the chat. Please give the text which I gave in the chat and check. Open your Node-RED. You're getting error. That's the reason you're not getting the output. Open your Node-RED. Go to debug tab. Go to the debug tab. Okay, one second. Pratik, can you just give me remote control? Please give me remote control. Did you give the text? Did you give me the share? Please give me the sharing option. Thank you. Thank. Um, Yeah. So for this SMS, it is not working. The SMS is having some problem. Let me give you other SMS. So try with that. If you are still getting an error, let me know. Okay. 1 second. Give you another. Please send a message on the chat box once. Send some message. Thank you. Please give this text. Now give this text and try. I can also give, right? I can't copy. I will not have access to your clipboard. Pratik, please just copy this code and give. Remove the previous one completely and give this code. Okay, so it was a problem with the SMS. Okay, nothing with the code. That SMS it was not able to analyze due to some reasons. Now, all of you, did you get the output? See, I was trying to show you the JSON. 1 second, Pratik. Don't do anything on the screen, Pratik. 1 second. I'll explain you the remaining part of the flow. Just if you give me 5 minutes of time, okay? So now, when I give an SMS and submit, okay? When I give the SMS and submit, in the node read, if you see, you will get a nothing I did. I just submitted an what do you call an SMS, some random SMS I gave. Okay. When I submit, I get a JSON like this. Okay. If you just go to entities, you will get all the entities which are passed. Okay. So validity period and the text is valid till 14th February. So like that, you have lot of things. Okay. So what did I do is I wrote a function node. I wrote a function node. What did I do? I grabbed this array, entire array of entities, okay, and I placed it in message.payload. I grabbed this entire array of entities, which is having, in this example, it is having some six objects inside, 6 elements inside. Okay, so I grabbed this array and placed this array in message.payload. Okay, I click on done. Now, this array, I'm passing it to a template node. Okay. In the template node, I wrote a small HTML JavaScript code to display this array elements in the form of a table. Okay. So just a second. Right. If you just see, right. If you just see here, you have the code. Okay. This is the HTML JavaScript code which I wrote. Okay. So if you just scroll down to the little, this is all the styling part. So if I just scroll down a little, you will see I have created a table. Okay, so here I have created a table. The header is type, text, and confidence. Okay, then I have created one ID. With this ID, I am trying to access it in, I mean, like I'm using the JavaScript here. Okay, I'm writing a little JavaScript code. Okay, so here what I'm doing, whatever result message.payload I'm getting, that message.payload I'm printing in the type form of each object is taken as a row dot type, its text, and its confidence. These three things. If you see inside this object, I just open 0. See, you have the type, the text, and the confidence. So these three things I'm trying to print in the table. Got it, everybody? So that is how your node read is looking like this. Okay, so this is your table which got created. There's a text which we are giving. When you click on submit, the message.payload, from the message.payload, it grabs all the entities and puts in message.payload. That message.payload, I'm giving it to the template node where all the arrays are displayed in the form of a table. Fine, all of you got it? So this is how you make the machine analyze your text and understand it. Okay, so if you have any other queries, you can let me know. Pratik, you can stop your screen share. Thank you very much. Harshit, you want me to repeat? From where do you want me to repeat? Where are you stuck? Where are you stuck? Pasting the URL. See, Anmol, if you see, your text message was having some, what do you call, spaces and all, right? So for few SMSs which are not proper, for them those spaces were not getting resolved. In a URL, you never generally have spaces. Okay, when you give some spaces, it will get changed with the percentage symbols. Okay, so but in our case, it did not happen in that particular URL for some reason. So I changed the URL to I changed the text to something else. It's worked. Okay. Okay, I'll tell again from pasting the function node. So pasting it in the. I took a form. Okay, in that form, I'm taking an input from the user. After that, I wrote a function node. In this function node, remove whatever is there before /v1. Remove whatever is there before /v1. Okay, go to your NLU service, copy the URL, come back to Node-RED, paste it before /v1. Okay, now go to the end of the URL, remove the model, entities.model equal to whatever is there after that, remove it. Go back to your NLU, copy the model ID, come back to Node-RED, paste it, click on done. Okay, this URL I'm giving it to my HTTP request. Okay, so after I give it to HTTP request, I deploy it. I'll show you the output. Okay, so I'll take this text, submit it. Okay, so it is giving me a Abhinav, didn't you paste the URL even now? Shall I tell it again? Do you want me to tell it again? Okay, right. So when you just when you submit, you will get an array like this. Okay, so inside entities, you will get all the entities for that particular text. Okay, I wrote another function node which is grabbing this entities array and storing it in message.payload. Okay, after I grab it, I connect the HTTP request with my function node. Okay, so this array I am passing it to the template node. Template node is the one in which you can write your own HTML, JavaScript, styling, everything. Okay, in this I have written a little code to generate the table from the array. Okay, I've created a table from the array which I have just fetched using little JavaScript. Okay, and now it is displayed. If I just deploy it, go to Node-RED. Now if I submit it, you will get the output here itself. Done, everybody? Did you all understand? Okay, great. People, if you are getting any errors during deployment or model creation or anything, it is because of internet. Okay. Uh, Mushina, the timestamp node and the second function node, if you see, I have deleted now. Those nodes were there for testing purpose. If you don't want to give the URL from the form, okay, if you don't want to give the text from the form, you can directly give it from the timestamp. Okay, so there I have given the string. I pushed the input from the timestamp and hit the URL. Okay, so for your purpose I gave, but if you want, you can remove those two nodes. It is for testing only, right? So people, if your internet is not proper, also you will get errors. So make sure your internet is good. Okay, procedure to be followed is only this, nothing much. Okay, if you have any queries, I am open for questions. I am done with my session. I hope all of you understood what I told about today. Anybody, if you have any problem anywhere you felt, you can let me know. Thank you very much, all of you. I'm open for questions again. I'll stay for 5 more minutes. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Thank you very much, people. Thank you. Sorry. Okay, so I don't think you people have any queries as I'm receiving only thank you messages. Thank you very much, people. Have a great day. Please keep practicing all these things because only after practice you can understand things. So please keep practicing, work on the flows. Okay, try doing some other project with the same example. You will understand it really better. Have great days. Have great learning. All the very best for your project week also. Thank you very much.